Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today we are going to see an exciting formula in Excel which is today. In this video I am going to not only sharing the idea about today, and also I am going to share you the difference between today formula and now formula. Please do not skip the video, do watch until then so that you will not skip any related information of this particular difference. Before going to video, we have given the playlist description in link. Please do watch it for the previous formulas as well. Let's jump into the video. So normally this today equal to today, you can see it says returns the current date as a formatted as a date. So which means this particular today formula will give you the current date, which is now today the date is at March 20, 2023. The recording time of this video is. So this particular day, the whole you will get the date of that formatted date. Formatted as a date is like which accordingly if you have set it Excel, your system time as date, month, year, or month, year, and date, or month, date, and year, that particular format it will display. So I'm just giving a tab, closing it, and I can see I got only month, year, and sorry, month, date, and year format. So if in your system you have formatted as date, month, year, then obviously you will get it for the 2023. That's how the today formula will give you the doubt. So now if you have seen the previous video, we have explained about now will give you the date and time. So what is the difference between today and date? Okay, so if I type now, right, you can see it says that it returns the current date and time as a formatted, and now I'm closing it for you so you can see the difference. It's like today's date and time, so it will give us the date and time of the particular day. That's how the now formula works. And the difference between the date and now, I mean today and now, is if you want only the current date you can go with the today's formula. If you want current date and time you can go with now formula. And accordingly, as we discussed earlier, you can format this particular cell how much ever we want. If I want, I need the day and everything, you can change it accordingly. The same applies for this particular now as well. Hope you have understood this video. If you have any query, please do post that in comment box. We'll respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. See you next video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Jai Hind.